Are you stuck in the cycle of working hard, saving a little, but still feeling like you're getting nowhere? What if I told you that with just $100, you can start a path to financial freedom? That's right, $100. But here's the twist. Time is ticking. Every day you wait to take control of your financial future, you're losing money. The clock is ticking, and you don't want to look back 5 years from now thinking, what if I had just started? So, how do you make your first move? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn that $100 into something powerful. But here's the catch. You have to stay until the end, because I'll reveal the one mistake that can make or break your investment journey. And trust me, you don't want to miss it. Point number 1. Starting is always the hardest part. Why? Because it's easy to believe you need thousands to get ahead. But here's the truth. You don't need a lot of money to begin. In fact, starting with just $100 might be the best decision you'll ever make. Imagine this. You're 25, sitting on $100. Most people would say it's not enough to make a dent in your financial goals. But what if you could turn that $100 into something bigger? It's not about the size of your initial investment. It's about building momentum, learning, and being consistent. Why does this work? Because of the magic of compound interest. When you invest, your money starts working for you. It builds on itself. You can take that $100 and put it into a safe investment that earns returns over time. That's how the wealthy get richer. It's not about having more. It's about making what you already have work. But here's the cliffhanger. Starting small allows you to learn the ropes without risking everything. Imagine losing $100 versus losing $10,000. See the difference? Point number 2. Okay, now that we're clear on why you should start, let's talk about where you should invest. $100 is a great starting point, but how do you choose where to put it? Let me break down 3 proven places that can make your money grow, but you have to pick one. Don't just sit there thinking it's too little to matter. Stocks. If you're willing to do some research, stocks are a powerful tool. You can buy shares in companies that are on the rise. Amazon, Tesla, Apple. These companies started with small investors just like you. The key? Invest in companies you believe in and that have growth potential. Index funds. Not into picking stocks? No problem. Index funds are a low-risk option that give you exposure to a broad market without all the guesswork. They track major indices like the S&P 500, which means you're investing in a wide range of companies automatically. Robo-advisors. These are for those who want to set it and forget it. They use algorithms to manage your investments, picking the right assets for you. Your $100 can grow without you needing to track every single move. Pattern interrupt. Humorous moment. Okay, I know, you might be thinking, isn't investing just for the rich? Well, let me burst that bubble for you. Investing isn't about how much you have. It's about how much you're willing to learn and take action. Don't worry, we're all starting somewhere. But before we dive deeper into the strategy, I have to tell you about the one mistake that could derail your entire plan. Stay tuned for that. Point number 3. Okay, you've picked your investment. Now what? It's time to get real. You're not going to see overnight success, and that's a hard truth. The stock market doesn't care how fast you want to get rich. It's all about consistent growth. Investing isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. The key to making that $100 grow is reinvesting your gains, adding more when you can, and letting time do the heavy lifting. So, if you start with $100 today, don't expect to become a millionaire tomorrow, but do expect to see progress over time. And here's the catch. When you're consistent, you'll eventually hit that tipping point. Your investments will start compounding, and that's when you'll see your wealth really start to grow. Patience pays off, so trust the process. Cliffhanger, don't miss out. But here's where it gets interesting. The biggest mistake you can make in investing is doing nothing at all. If you wait, you risk missing out on that compounding effect. Remember, the best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time is now. So, what's the next step? Start investing today. Don't wait for the perfect time. It doesn't exist. Take action with your $100 and begin your journey toward financial freedom. And if you found value in this video, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more actionable financial tips. Remember, wealth is built one decision at a time. So make today your first step. Your future self will thank you for it.